Exercise 6.4 question number 5. D, E and F are respectively the midpoints of the sides AB, BC and CE of a triangle ABC. Find the ratio of the area of DEF and ABC. Here they have given wrongly. They have given in different order. So let us see according to the question itself. So ABC is a triangle and we can keep it in order. D is the midpoint of AB. So D is the midpoint of AB and E is the midpoint of BC and F is the midpoint of AC. So from this, when we join all the midpoints, we will get a triangle. So first let us take these two midpoints. When these two are midpoints, then by using midpoint theorem, DE will be parallel to AC and DE is equal to half of AC. Since D and E are midpoints, we should write D and E are midpoints of AB and BC. Therefore, DE is equal to half of AC. Here don't consider this. DE will be equal to half of AC by using midpoint theorem. You should write the statement like this. Then suppose if you take this and this, FE will be parallel to AB and FE is equal to half of AB. FE or EF both are same. So EF is equal to half of AB. Similarly, when you take this and this, D and F are midpoints of AB and AC. So DF will be parallel to BC and DF is equal to half of BC. Now from this you bring this AC to the denominator. So DE by AC, which is equal to, when you bring this, EF by AB, which is equal to, when you bring this to the denominator, DF by BC, all are equal to half, 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 since the corresponding sides are proportional. So then the two triangles are similar. What are the two triangles? DEF and ABC, the two triangles are similar. So now what about the ratio of the areas? Ratio of area of DEF by ABC is equal to, you can take any one pair. Suppose if I take this pair DE by AC, then DE by AC the whole square, DE square by AC square. You should write like this, DE square by AC square. What is DE square by AC square? 1 by 2 the whole square. 1 by 2 the whole square, again you will be getting 1 by 4. So ratio of the area is nothing but 1:4. That's all. Now coming to sixth one, prove that ratio. I think this they will not ask because proof of the square is not there. No, it is deleted. So surely this also they won't ask. Yeah, this is an important question. Seventh one. Prove that the area of an equilateral triangle described on one side of a square is equal to half the area of the equilateral triangle described on one of its diagonal. So, area of an equilateral triangle described on one side of the square. So, this is a square, one equilateral triangle on one side. In this side AD there is an equilateral triangle. This is equal to half the area of equilateral triangle described on one of its diagonals. So suppose if AC is a diagonal, from the diagonal they were drawing an equilateral triangle. So this area will be equal to half of this bigger triangle area, that we have to prove. So in a square, if one side is A, then all the sides will be A. So what about AC square? What is the diagonal of a square? Root 2 times of the side. There is a formula. Diagonal of a square is root 2 times of the side, or you can use Pythagoras theorem and you can find out. This is A and this is A. So A square plus A square is nothing but 2A square. So when you take square root on both sides, AC is equal to, see, A square, 1A square plus 1A square is 2A square. AC square is 2A square, means what is AC? When you take square root on both sides, here square and root will get cancelled, we will be getting AC. What is square root of 2? That is root 2. What is square root of A square? That is simply A. So AC is equal to root 2 times of A. So now from this, what we can say, triangle PAD is similar to triangle QAC. PAD and QAC, why those two are similar? By angle criteria, because in an equilateral triangle each angle is equal to what? 60 degree. So if two triangles are similar, then the ratio of their areas is equal to square of the ratio of their corresponding sides. So what about the corresponding sides? Actually PA square by QA square, then AD square by AC square, then PD square by QC square. From that you are taking this AD square by AC square alone, because you know the value of AC and you know the value of AD, diagonal and one side. They were describing only about diagonal and one side. So we are taking this pair. AD value is nothing but A and AC value is nothing but root 2A square. So when you square this, what will happen? A square by, already AC square you have the value 2A square. So here this a square and this a square will get cancelled, you will be getting half. So area of PAD by area of QAC is equal to half. QAC you bring to the other side, so half into area of QAC. Area of PAD is nothing but half into area of QAC. This they will ask under 2 mark. Next, ABC and BD are two equilateral triangles such that D is a midpoint of BC. Ratio of the areas of triangle ABC and BDE is what that they are asking. Since it is equilateral triangle, so all the sides are equal to A and D is the midpoint of BC. Now BD is equal to half of AC. ABC so ABC is a triangle and D is the midpoint of BC. No, so from this we can draw another one equilateral triangle BDE, because there are two equilateral triangles. So now if this is a midpoint, then if this total side is A, then what about this BD? This will be half of A. This is totally A, so this will be half of A. So BD is equal to half of A. Triangle ABC and BDE. ABC and BDE are similar. Why? By angle similarity. Since they are equilateral triangles, all the angles are equal to what? 60 degree. So if two triangles are similar, then ratio of their areas is equal to square of the ratio of their corresponding sides. So now let us take AB and BD square. What is AB square? That is nothing but A. And what is BD? If this total BC is A, BD will be half of A. So half of A the whole square. A square you write as it is. Half when you square will be getting 1 by 4, and A when you square will be getting A square. So this A square and this A square will get cancel. So now this 1 by 4 while you transpose becomes 4 by 1. It gets reciprocal. So the ratio of their area is nothing but 4:1. Next, if sides of two similar triangles are in the ratio 4:1, what about the area? So what is the formula? What is the statement of the theorem? Area of two similar triangles is equal to square of the ratio of their corresponding sides. So if sides is 4:9, then when you square you will be getting 16:81. Sometimes in the exam, no, they will give the area, and if they ask the side, what will you do? Then you have to take square root on both sides. Suppose if you know the area, if they are asking side, take square root on both sides. If you know the side and if they are asking area, then square it. சரியா? சைடு கொடுத்து ஏரியா கேட்டாங்கன்னா ஸ்கொயர் ரூட் கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். சைடு கொடுத்துட்டு சைடு டு ஏரியா கேட்டால் யூ ஸ்கொயர் இட். ஏரியா கொடுத்து சைடு கேட்டாங்கன்னா ஸ்கொயர் ரூட். ஓகே, ஃபஸ்ட்டு எஸ் வந்தால் ஸ்கொயர் பண்ணிடுங்க, ஃபஸ்ட்டு ஏ வந்தால் ஸ்கொயர் ரூட் கண்டுபிடிச்சிடும். ஏரியாஸ் கிடச்சிதுன்னா, ஏரியாஸ் இருந்ததுன்னா ஸ்கொயர் ரூட், சைடு இருந்ததுன்னா ஸ்கொயர் பண்ணணும். ஓகே, தேங்க்யூ.